134, 72 BPM, 71 BPM. Very, very close. So as part of any first aid kit, you definitely want to have a blood pressure monitor at your home, especially if you have older parents or you suffer from anxiety. So we've had this one. This is a battery operated one, but the thing is with these is sometimes based on the readings that I've gotten from here and my smartwatch, I wasn't necessarily getting the right readings. Also, this manual pump is just honestly annoying. While it does work, right, even if the batteries don't, you know, like you have to be a little more knowledgeable. So I wanted to go get another one. I can just place it on my cuff and it just basically works. This one comes with its own little baggie, which I like. Our cuff, just like any other cuff, comfortable material. It is water and stain proof. Monitor itself, it's actually much slimmer and a lot lighter. It's the thickness of this one and this is the thickness of that one. All right, so let's go and open this one up. Now this one has backup batteries as well. So this one takes 4 AAA batteries, but more importantly, it is powered by a USB-C Type-C. So if you compare these two, it's got the exact same readouts, except this one's got nice little readout chart over here. You got your start, stop. You can also save your readings as part of memory, so you can go back and maybe you can compare. And then you got your set button. All right, so take your cuff and plug this in to the side. There you go. Plug the USB-C cable provided. You want to hook it up right up here over your bicep. Grab this, tighten it up, and then just you can always readjust it like so. And we're gonna check this against our watch as well. All right, so when you're ready, just press start. And we're gonna press this here too. So we're measuring both 134, 72 BPM, 71 BPM. Very, very close. Now this has the ability to have more than one persons. You see, that's a 1. To change the date, you click set. Then you can change the date. Same with time. You can change the date or the time. Mem pulls up the last few measurements that you've done. So that's it. There's not much to it. Definitely worth having in your medicine cabinets. That's the video. Thanks for watching.